Banter fam. This market. It's frustrating. However, yesterday we saw a coiled up ETH, right? We saw Sonic starting to look strong too. Some altcoins are starting to show some good strength. Bitcoin not looking the healthiest. We've got Bitcoin sitting around $95,000, $96,000, and it's a very important support. This basically holds us from going back to the 90, even the 80,000. So there is a very big bearish scenario we need to speak about today. If we lose these levels, what does this mean for altcoins? Now, again, they destroyed the altcoins with the biggest liquidation event 2-3 weeks ago. Again, it's the question of, do they want to come full at liquidity? Right? I don't think there'll be much more damage than what happened then, but there is damage from here if the alts want to go down to those major areas. So we have a bearish scenario, and we also got support right now. Okay, and I'm going to show you the levels and the changes that I've made to my portfolio. I've changed a couple of trades. I've basically updated a couple of trades. I exited some trades, re-entered them, and I want to explain to you guys the whole process over there. However, we have a bigger question today. Is it time to quit? Time to hang up the damn bags, come back in a couple of months, right? That's the big question. Because again, this market is chopping and it's going to test you so far mentally. Okay, is it even worth it? Is it even worth it? That's the big question. Time to hang the bags, come back in a couple of months when markets are looking better, if they even do, right? Maybe this takes many months for all markets to start getting better, and that's the time to pay attention to. Or do we double down? Do we double down and actually give even more than what we are currently giving right now? That's a big question. Now, I had a big realization yesterday, and I want to be very open with you. One thing you'll learn about me, guys, is I'm a bull. I will die a bull, right? You'll never take my faith. You'll never take my belief that I believe you could financially change your life in this industry. Never. So I'll be bullish, okay? I'll be bullish many of the times. And when the markets are going up, I'll be bearish, right? But these markets have been going down for many weeks now, so I've been bull, okay? But I had a very big realization yesterday. And today you're gonna understand. We're gonna have a real talk today. I'm gonna explain to you exactly where my mind's at. I'm gonna explain to you exactly where a lot of people's minds are at. People are quitting all over the damn place. Market's tough as hell. It's hard, right? And I'm going to paint out the two scenarios for you. I'm going to show you the two major scenarios of you have a choice today. Can hang it up. Many are, right? So why not join the train? Okay. And I'm going to show you the other side as well. So today's a real chat. We're going to talk charts. We're going to talk trades. We're going to talk updates. But I need to talk to you today. It's very important that I talk to you today. And I share where my man's at. And today, we're going to lock our heads together, and we're going to lock our commitments together, and we're going to lock our loyalty together. And if you stick with me on the journey, we're going to fight the damn war together. And if not, lots of love, and make a success. We got a big chat to have today. And the big question is, do we quit? Right? Big question. Let's go.
I try and help everyone in my space, and this is what I get. I try and fight the devils, but inside I'm just like sniper. Welcome to Sheldon Show.
That's a fan. Brand's trying to hit the subscribe button. Okay, guys. So market's choppy, tough as hell. We're going to speak about the scenarios. But first, let's connect, right? It's important. You get to hear my charts every day. You get to see my analysis every day. We don't always get to talk on a heart-to-heart basis. And I think it's time for us to have a nice little heart-to-heart basis. These last couple of weeks mentally have been also very tough for me. Been very tough. You know, there's a lot going on in the outside world as well, outside of crypto, and a lot of things I'm trying to achieve. We all know my little boy is coming on Friday. I got a feeling that my little boy is going to bring the bull back. So let's see how that goes. But guys, it's been really hard, right? To the point of where I asked the question yesterday: should I quit? Should I quit the content? Do I suck? Am I crap? Okay, is this market not good? Is this market going to just keep going down? All these things, all these things that fall through within your brain. And to be honest, go read the comments, right? Go read it. There's lots of love. And again, we went through a $60,000 Bitcoin to a $17,000 Bitcoin. We went through 2 years of bear. This is 3 months. Okay, it's not anywhere near. But we went through 2 years of bear, and I had around 30,000 warriors that stuck by my side. And when I saw the ship rise again and Bitcoin break all-time highs, the amount of growth that I saw from that community that stayed with me on this entire journey, the amount of how much smarter, they don't even need my TA anymore. They already understand everything. They're just there to be a part of the community and to just support the vision, right? But I saw the rise up in that time versus the 100 to 150,000 people that I had when the market was bull, right? So around 80% of the people left, and 20% of them rose through it all and are still here today. And I'm kind of laughing about the situation right now. They can hold themselves a lot better. But nonetheless, hard times is going to allow a lot of people to quit and change their mind. And yesterday I had a point where I got very angry with myself, and please excuse my language, but I looked myself in the mirror yesterday because these things were going through my head. And for the first time in a long time, I went through a couple of comments yesterday, and people were saying 90% wrong, what, this guy, sort of thing, right? And again, markets, big green candle. We love you, Sheldon. You know, people are very flip-floppy when it comes to these type of things. You got to understand something. When you're trading every day, you are it's emotional, right? When you lose money, when you make money, it's very emotional. Imagine having 50 or 100,000 people, okay, that are monitoring your every move, right? Imagine having that pressure every day. Got to give some credit for every day popping up and doing shows and fighting through it all. Why? Because I have damn conviction. And yesterday when I started doubting my conviction, I looked myself in the mirror, and again, excuse my language, I said, Sheldon, stop being a bitch. Stop it. You're blaming everyone. You're blaming the world. You're blaming the markets. You're blaming everything. Why you're starting to lose vision of your dreams. Why you are starting to lose that energy that everyone loves. That fire. Because again, when I lost my dad 2 years ago, when all of these things happened, the fire was the only thing that pushed through all of it. And I reversed it from being worth no money to having a very destroyed system around me and not in the best neighborhoods and not the best surroundings, to changing absolutely everything in 4 years, and to have my entire family and friend base around me now in a beautiful city, in a safe city, to have a beautiful daughter, to be married, to have my second boy on the way. You know, I managed to move the ships around, but before that, I went through hell, and the hell was the big tough one. And I sat there yesterday and I said, Sheldon, stop it, stop blaming, stop being pissed. Like, you want to quit? Quit right now. Quit. Finish it all. Be done, right? And I looked at myself and I was like, you know what? You're right. It's time for me to take accountability for my life. It's time for me to understand I have a choice right now. I'm either going to give it my damn all and never lose my faith. Many people look at me and they say, Sheldon, you bull, 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 bull. I will die a bull, right? When the markets were up a couple of months back, I was bearish. When the market is going down for the last couple of weeks, I've been bullish, right? Because I have faith. I have faith that this market has the opportunity, or can give you the opportunity, to change your life financially. I have the faith that this is one of the best industries and one of the earliest industries in the world that I really think you have a chance. Other industries, I don't. I think the systems are so rigged and so destroyed. I don't think you have a chance to really, really change your life in a short period of time. This industry, I do. When I'm bullish every day and I'm fighting for entries, because it will all make sense when the market goes up again. We'll be the people in because we kept fighting through. Those who quit, markets will be up 300% and they'll come back and they'll get flushed again. Okay, but the big realization for me yesterday was this whole mindset of blaming and getting upset and these things that are out of your control and turning against yourself. Just quit. Do me a favor today. Those that are typing 90% wrong, just quit. Just quit, but do me a favor. Beat me. Achieve more than what I have achieved in the last 4 years. Teach more than 100,000 students. Do more than 1,000 shows, more than 40 million views. Inspire. Do whatever the hell you can. Okay, beat me. Then your comment is worthy to me. Until you've done that, you're just there complaining. And when I started seeing that self in myself yesterday, I was like, this is a shitty place. I'm ready for the biggest bounce ever. Because remember, in life, the bad patches, your RSI is coming down. I'm ready to pin bar this shit and get my head up. So today you have a choice. You're going to blame. You're going to be pissed off when things go against our way. You're going to be upset when things go like that. Just quit. Just quit and go back to the old system that destroys you over 50 years. Go keep holding fiat. Go keep working for a job. Go keep paying all your taxes every month. Go keep getting broke slowly. Go keep there. Or come fight with us, the hardest damn market in the world, and achieve your damn dreams. Stop running when things get hard. Stop quitting. Stop blaming. Stop getting annoyed. Stop it. Man the hell up. Woman the hell up. Lots of love to the woman, you know me. Okay? But get yourself together. Things will go up and down. We are fighting a market where a single tweet from a president will change everything. Okay, but what we are fighting for, okay, is we are fighting for the financial freedom, okay, and to change your damn life. That's what we are fighting for as a community, as people together. I'm here to lead that every single day, because out of all the hosts and everyone that you've seen on these YouTubes and these schools and stuff, I'm by far the least experienced. I joined Banter with 6 months experience. I've gone through 4 years with you guys now, with shows every single damn day, okay, with never being taught, never actually really having that dad role model of mine, never taught me any of these things with him, but I am winging it with my heart every single damn day. And you know what? When this market rises up, you will see how much money comes into your pockets. We saw it very quickly when the market woke up. I killed everyone in the industry when it came to gains, right? And that's just because of the sense of, I am fighting for the bigger picture. You are focused on the small picture. Okay, today is the day to rise and for us to put our heads together and keep fighting this damn market. May it take 3 more weeks or 3 more months of choppiness. I want you to see at the end of this journey, being proud of yourself, looking back at the journey and say, I did that. I climbed the mountain. When the hardest point came, I stood up and I rose. Not the stuff of, Sheldon, done, finished. Okay, and this is the last time in a very long time you will see me even mention a hater or a bad comment, right? Or any of these type of things again. And I'm bringing this to you because I'm telling you that myself, that many around, we are all feeling the pressure. We are all feeling the financial pressure. We are all feeling the hardness. We are all feeling it. But there's 2 types of people that you're going to do now. Go quit and go back to comfortability. That's cool. But I ain't going to live my life in comfortability. I want to be uncomfortable every single day. Doing the show right now, uncomfortable. Entering these trades, uncomfortable. Okay? Pushing through all these hard, uncomfortable. And I want to live my life uncomfortable, because that means I'm growing. That means I'm evolving, and keep popping in now and then. To the haters, I love you guys. Bye-bye. Cheers. Go watch the next person, right? Don't need you. Bye-bye. Lots of love. But thank you for watching all the shows. But lots of love. But keep tuning in now and then. And watch as I damn rise, and watch as this community rises. This is the best community in the world. I want you to comment below, and I want the love to out-push any of the damn blah, 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 blah. Show me that you're in. Tell me that you're in. I've spent 12 minutes now connecting with you again to tell you that I nearly lost myself yesterday. I nearly quit. I choose to rise today. I choose to push through it all, because the hardest times, the biggest times that you damn bounce, and we're going to look back and be proud of ourselves. We're in the best industry in the world. We have the best education platform here. You have one of the best hosts that actually gives a shit about you. Okay? Everything on this journey, guys, has been for me to just play open books with you. I could have just traded and left a long time ago and just traded my own life. I wanted to be open and show you the hard times, the good times, the times I'm great, the times I'm shit, the times I'm everything. I open it up on YouTube and I show you my everyday basis. That's what community, and that's what you are part of right now, is someone that is going to do it in front of you and show you the truth. If you think that making money is going to happen like this, no, we got to fight for it, and we got to work for it, and we got to push through. Okay, but you are going to make a lot of money and do incredibly well. Remember, 2-3 years is not a long time. Okay, but the areas of I want to be rich tomorrow type of things, there's a reason why there's not a lot of millionaires on the planet, right? Let's be realistic. But I'm going to fight this journey with you, and I promised you one more massive bull run. Okay, and that's what I'm going to ride with you. I'm going to ride you from the damn bottom for as long as we fight for these damn entries. And I don't care about losses and all that stuff. It's all history, right? When you look at the best fighters in the world and the best people in the world, do you look at their losses in high school? When they lost, who gives a shit about their loss, right? It's about the one, where did we get at the end of the day, and did we hit the main damn target? That's what it's about. So again, hit the like button, comment below, and just say, I'm in. And I expect this to be the highest commented video that I've had in a very long time, because this is where I need you to rise with me. Say, Sheldon, let's go. Bring more education, bring more calls. Let's go and let's fight through and let's get to our damn goal. Lots of love. Let's jump into it. And again, I don't speak much for this long. Today I needed to speak and get off my chest. Love you guys. For those who have supported me and been part of this journey, I'm with you. We'll get through it. I go through my patches outside of crypto. Being a dad was not easy. Figuring out all these things outside of this world, it's been quite challenging for me. But just know that I love you guys, and I'll never quit on you. And I'm going to keep putting my all in. And if you trust me on this journey, it may not be the prettiest journey at times, but it is going to be very beautiful at the end of it. Just know that I love you and I'm grateful for you. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Fake out yesterday on total 3. So what that means now is now the trend is gone. And now what we look for over here is we start looking for horizontals. Okay, because again, that's the big danger zone all over there. So the question is, do the altcoins want to come and fetch liquidity and then get going? And the big question is, does Bitcoin want to catch up? This big dump here was not so big on Bitcoin. So if this wants to happen, does that mean Bitcoin actually wants to go lower? That's the big question. Okay, so horizontals now come into play. We have horizontals here, here, and here. Okay, so let's go through the plans of Bitcoin and where we're at. This is the total 3, but let's go through Bitcoin first. 2 big bounce zones on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's got to bounce now if the worst scenario is not going to play out. If so, worst scenario is incoming. Let's deal with it and let's get through it, right? So again, big bounce zones here is your 618 and the 786 horizontals. We have lost a short-term trend. That's a concern. This thing needs to reverse very quickly. Okay. There's back. Okay, and we got to get back above 97,000 very quick. If not, start preparing for the bigger push to the downside, right? If Bitcoin starts to live 94, we are then going to start making our way down to the $89,000 to the $86,000 range. It will happen very quick, and it'll look something like this. Here are your 2 scenarios on Bitcoin. We either start bouncing now because there is support here. Otherwise, this happens. Something happens, market drops off very quickly, and that's what happens over there. Bitcoin dominance started to rise a little bit yesterday. Okay, I was ready for the drop. It started dropping. E started getting strong, and then we had the pullback. Now we're sitting back on this zone here. Okay, so there is a scenario that wants to push higher. There is a scenario that wants to push to the downside over here too. Okay, I do think that if the bear scenario happens on Bitcoin, I do think this is going to come down. I think Bitcoin's going to catch up. And again, if the markets go up, I think this is going to come down. Nonetheless, I think that little pump from ETH yesterday wasn't nothing. And I think ETH is still going to move. That's ETH over there. Small fake out, but still holding support's really good. The moment ETH starts breaking through these trends, there is a big short squeeze coming. I'm telling you that this depression phase that we are seeing right now is coming to an end. Why? Because if you look at this again, where's that cheat sheet? But what the cheat sheet shows you is when you get to depression phase at the bottom, sometimes it has that. And that might be the case over here. There might be that one more, you know what, send it and then get going. Okay, big thing to understand. But again, we are in depression phase and it's going to end soon. Why? Because the weekly stock's at the bottom. Okay, and it's never lied. We are getting there. The reversal is coming this week. Get through this week. Get through this week. Whatever long-term you can buy. Whatever incredible small caps you can, put 2%, buy, take on risk, build. The only thing I won't do is any high leverage trades. Okay, 2x is good, but put stop losses. Okay, play the game, because we are going to be the ones that rise and make a shit ton of money when the market goes up, when the rest are kind of coming in and looking for entries. Okay, so what this looks like here is total 3. There's the 2 plays. The bottom might have just come in for the total 3 now. Hit the 382. Basically implying that altcoins have pumped, gone sideways, and it's holding this level. But that's strong. If another leg comes to the upside here, alts are getting strong. But if Bitcoin wants to go to 89,000, we are going to come down here, which is another 10% down within your altcoins. Let's go through a couple of alts. Big ones to focus on here is Sonic. Sonic has broken out, retesting now. Here's the zone. If it wants to go lower, it will go around this area over here. Good spot buys to get Sonic. Sonic is getting ready to go. Solana in a bit of trouble at the moment. So what I did was Sol. I got stopped out on Sol. I'm still in a lot of my positions, but what I've done with Solana is let's go here. I entered a long at 152 for now. So what does that mean? I've put a limit order over here. Reason being is I zoomed out. I found another strong trend. Okay, and it's telling me that this area of the 150 to 155 is where we will go if we keep dropping down. That's where I'm going to buy my Solana. Okay, so Sol I'm currently out of. And again, if it doesn't go there, I'll buy on the break of that trend over there as well. ETH I'm loaded up on. Okay, a couple of other altcoins that I made changes on. ThorChain, okay, has started coming down low here. So what I did with ThorChain is I closed my position at a loss and I reopened it. Reason being is because I want a better entry and I want to move my stop loss down. Okay, give it a bit more room. So I've now moved my stop loss down to the areas of the 95-cent mark. I exited, I took the loss, and I re-entered the trade. Okay, what I'm going to do then is when the market, when it wants to break up again, I'm going to build my leverage up and I'll build up. And again, I'm going to show you guys how we all do this. Okay, the next one that I did as well is Algo. I cut my losses on Algo and I re-entered. That's why my entry is right over here as well. And I gave a bigger stop loss at 20 cents. Okay, so the only ones that I did were the alts that were coming close to the stops. I decided to cut them now, enter now, and drop the stop loss. Get a new entry in on those. And it's only Algo that was the big concern. Algo, what other ones was it? Let's see, Solana. Theta was another one as well. Theta I also closed and I opened. Okay, I'll show you guys why. Because later on, again, I told you, when you don't quit and you rise again, there's many solutions how you get money back and how you make it again. When it breaks those trends, I'm going to change leverages, make the positions bigger, and I'm going to clean it. I'm telling you that by the time this market gets back here, here's the total 3. By the time the market gets back here, I'm going to be in profits. Not even in a loss, in profits. And I'm telling you, not even the top here, I'm going to be in profits. All the losses will be gone. Okay? And not only that, I'll have mega positions for the damn bull market. Because again, zoom out. You know what comes next. Optimism phase on alts are incoming. Okay, so what this looks like on a bunch of altcoins. Cardano is strong. Not looking weak. One of the stronger alts right now. Definitely have a Cardano position. AVAX. There's AVAX on the 618. One that's also close to a stop loss. So this one, I'll close and re-enter. Well, this is what I did personally. And I'm popping a stop loss below this area at 21 cents. Just surviving. That's all you have to do. Yes, Chainlink in the good zones. Let's see. Injective still strong. Algo was the one that I did. GRT still good. Doge still good in our first original buy zones. Let's see what else. XTZ still good. Theta was the one that I re-entered. Remember, this is survival stages. Just get through this phase over here and you'll be good. Everything else is looking good over here at the moment. So again, 2 scenario and alts. Here, shake. We make our way up. I don't think we're going to do as much damage as going below these lows. Okay, that's the first scenario. I'm telling you, in the next 3 days, we're green again. It may even be right now. We're going to go green again, and we're going to go full bull again. Right? It's going to be very, very, very interesting. Okay, so it's either the shake or from here we start rallying up. The short squeeze is upon us. It's coming very quick. The main things today, are you quitting or you damn staying? Love you lots. See you all tomorrow. Thank you for watching. And remember, guys, I give a shit about you. I'm here every day to fight the war through my goods and bads. I'll figure it all out, but I ain't going to quit. And I'm going to see you at the top. Love you lots. Bye.